The problem was he got dismissed in the very next delivery. Just trying to chip one over, finding the man at short mid-wicket. Sohag Ghazi picking up that catch. Down the wicket, hits the stump. This is trouble, big trouble for Dhaka Gladiators. Mohammad Nabi has done the trick one more time.
Nabi in his final over of the innings, once again conjuring some magic. Shakib Al Hasan, the hard hitter, just coming down the ground and lost everything of that delivery.
Left-handers, the right-handers. Where is his pace? Oh, good delivery and striking there. The ball just curving away. Poor shot selection.
Get off with a 4. Similar ball. And up in the air. It should be taken. Johnson Charles gone. Second ball. It was there to be hit. He just didn't connect it. Didn't find the timing. 100. And now he's taken 2 for 12. Captain, fantastic. Make that 3 from 12. Mohammad Nabi strikes again.
Is indeed for the Bork legends. Out. It's all over. And how appropriate.